Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paymo for budgeting and project tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with activating Paymo for budgeting and project tracking, begin by visiting the official Paymo website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Choose the plan that best fits your needs from the options available. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. After agreeing to the terms, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Paymo. Open the email and click the confirmation link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the Paymo website and log in using your email and password. Upon logging in for the first time, you will be guided through a brief setup process. Follow the prompts to set up your workspace, including naming your business and defining your business type. Next, navigate to the Projects tab on the dashboard. Click the New Project button to create your first project. Fill in the project name, description, and assign a client if needed. Set the project budget by entering the total amount you want to allocate. To track time against your project, enable the time tracking feature. You can also add tasks within the project by clicking on New Task. Assign each task to a team member and set deadlines as required. Next, access the Invoices section to manage billing for your clients. Click on Create Invoice to generate an invoice linked to your project. Fill out the invoice details, including the services rendered and payment terms. Finally, review your settings in the Profile section to customize notifications and preferences. Now your Paymo account is fully activated, ready for budgeting and project tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.